friends, let's do slime. First, pour in the glue. Now add the board up. It's ready.
Hello, Super Kids! Welcome back to Fun Science Time. Today we are making something stretchy, squishy, gooey. That's right! Can you guess what it is? That's right! Today we'll learn how to make magical slime. Let's see what we need. White glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, bowl.
Spoon, yes, but always ask an adult to help.
Step 1. Pour the glue into the bowl.
It looks like creamy snow.
Step 2. Add 1 spoon of baking soda. Now mix, mix, mix.
It's getting thicker.
Now add a little contact lens solution. Whoa, it's stirring slowly.
Wow!
Look, our slime is ready. It's so stretchy and squishy too. Want cooler slime? Add glitter, add colors, make rainbow slime.
Yay!
Stretch it, bounce it, squish it. Best slime ever. Add colors, make rainbow slime.
Yay!
Today we made super slime. Did you enjoy this fun experiment?
Yes!
Then like, subscribe, and join us for more fun science adventures.
Bravo!